There are misconceptions among the masses. Many linguistics believe that at birth as humans we are by default inherited with an innate recognition of what a language is and random noises are. The fact is we are born with no state of mind, products of the planet's social environment, while at the same time we always have a choice every second to turn our lives around as we get older. Our maturity and life's progress for further freedom of movement. Language consists of a continuous stream of sound. The human brain, however, is prone to prejudice in what we experience, are told, and see in society. An assumption is that all knowledge exists inside the human mind, but true that we must still abstract. There are Oriental individuals that presume Asian languages' character syntax makeup are more super efficient than all other planetary communication glyphs, because each character is an entire visual to the mind. Chinese language is faster, each character is an image, says local resident. Just this way of thinking is prejudicial. You look at the Latin-based English language and it contains over 1 million words. A good example is Laws of Each Land. Criminal code entireties with just one word inside of it alone will put over 10 million feelings and images. In a human brain, by psychological effect, instant reaction when an officer speaks it to a resident. When a human hears, reads, sees, and understands with the choice to accept the word torture, this one word, consisting of only 7 tiny letters, puts an overwhelming fast emotional subconscious response and over dozens of thousands of images in the heart and mind when the individual has the life knowledge of what human deep torture in the world may result in. Unfortunately, too many different cultures have huge assumptions about other cultures and languages that continually makes conflict arise. And bitterness. The key to maneuvering and surviving inside of multiple cultural urban centers, which contain hundreds of different races, is to not only not interfere, but allow seamlessly the mind to calculate and absorb the scenario, patiently accepting the fact that the world is always changing, won't ever stay the one same way. Your personal communication is your job. To hear them is called active listening, as to only in 3 steps: listen, comprehend, respond. Instead of listening only to get your 2 cents in right away without actually hearing them first, not understanding correctly is hearing them convey, then to calmly, coherently always pay attention. When a police officer approaches another common citizen and is acting according to crucial circumstances, proposing to a local journalist that thinks and acts like Mr. Know-it-all, the question frictions 1,000 pictures in the reporter's mind. What section of the criminal code is that, and what are all the sentences? Asked local officer.